back to make the sandwich.
So guys, make sure you like and subscribe to our video. We're trying to reach 1,000 subscribers.
How long, man? Head tough like.
It was far more cordial.
Good morning, Miss. You gonna brush your teeth, please? Alright, so good morning, guys. Happy Wednesday. Welcome back to another one of my videos. Welcome back to another one of my videos. So it's a school morning, slow day because I'm not working out this morning. So I'm just gonna quickly whip up some breakfast. For me, I'm just gonna make some eggs, tuna, and turkey ham, kind of omelette. And then I'm gonna make an egg sandwich for my son. Once again, welcome back to another one of my videos. If you're new here, my name is Angelica Patterson, and on this channel you've been seeing me juggling work life, gym life, mom life, and ultimately finding a balance within it all. So if you're new here, welcome, or if you're returning, welcome back. For my returning viewers, I know you must be wondering, wow, she eats a lot of eggs. But to be totally honest with you guys, my diet mainly comprises of lean protein, which includes egg, tuna, chicken. You'll see me throwing in some turkey ham slices or even turkey breast slices, fish, whether it's, sliced fish, fillet, or even the canned fish, sardines, or as I mentioned earlier, tuna. But I try to keep it as clean as possible, mainly because of my allergic reactions to a lot of things, which I don't know a lot of them, but as soon as I include anything new in my diet, I tend to have a lot of flare-ups. So I tend to just keep it very basic. That way I know I am used to the general things that I have on a day-to-day basis without any reactions from it. So you may not see me taking any, pre-workout substances, creatine, protein powder, any of that sort. To be honest with you, sometimes it does get, very restrictive because I don't have a lot to work with, and protein and strength training goes hand in hand. And sometimes, I want to, try those yogurt, but in Jamaica, for me personally, I find it very difficult to find dairy-free yogurt that tends to have low sugar in it. It's normally have a lot of sugar, 25 grams, of sugar. I find that it's pretty high for one of those small containers servings of yogurt. And for Greek yogurt, it's also very difficult to find that dairy-free. I have not yet to find it. If you're watching and you know somewhere where I can find dairy-free yogurt, drop a comment below. And where's the lunch bag? I need the lunch bag to make the sandwich. Where's the lunch bag, guys? Okay. I want to put your socks and your shirt around there. And I want to know, where is your lunch bag? Where is the lunch bag?
What do you found it? Some more to do.
Alright. What kind of snack you want? You want a big food?
Yeah, I want no. What about the cupcake.
And what else? Bigfoot?
Yeah, Bigfoot and sausage.
Alright. One put on your socks. These socks right here.
Okay.
Along with the snacks, I'm just gonna add some oranges. Alright. Just gonna add some oranges for these fruits. With that. These are pegged orange, by the way. Because I'm not making a snack box this morning. I'm just putting in stuff. And then I'm going to make a sandwich to go with that. Alright, so this is finished. This is my breakfast. My omelette never really stand up firm still. So it is what it is. Okay, I'm at the spoon before I cover it.
This is
Alright. And then to complete the lunchbox, I'm gonna make a 2-bread sandwich this morning. I'm gonna make a corned beef sandwich. I'm gonna make a corned beef sandwich, but I'm gonna use some cream cheese at the base of it. This is some corned beef. And then this finished the lunchbox. So I have free snacks is orange, and its snacks is orange, sausage, and a sandwich. And that finishes the box. That's it. So guys, I didn't make my chia pudding last night. This is the chia flaxseed that I got at Price Mart that they saw me getting. So I'm gonna quickly make this. It's gonna have it on so anywhere over 2 hours is good for my chia seed, especially since I'm not gonna use no overnight oats in it. Alright. So my aim is to add 24 grams, which is 4 tablespoons of this chia flaxseed blend. It's 14. It's actually 28. That's okay. That's a chia flax blend. I got this at Price Mart. Alright. I'm just gonna add some cinnamon to it. Okay. And then almond milk. Where is my 1 cup? 1. It's a half cup. 3/4 cup. 1 cup. I think I'm gonna add some peanut butter. Peanut butter sometimes is that thing that kind of bring up the taste. Because I don't do bland, guys. I don't do bland. And plus peanut butter is a healthy fat. That's why you always see me adding my peanut butter to it. So it's more than one reason why I would add my peanut butter to my chia. Kind of warm, so I'm not gonna put it down there. Let me get my ice box. Put my ice box in here. Okay. So I'm going to actually. That's my lunch, by the way. That's my son's lunch. I'm gonna put this at the top. This is a 2-tier lunch box. So in case I have 2 different temperature of food, I can put one at the top and then the other goes there. Let me check to see how it works. Okay, I have 3 forks. That's good. That's it. This is my son's breakfast that you saw me making. Right here, breakfast is in the car as usual. Alright, that's it. I just need to fill up. I already filled that. And then add my tea to this and that's it. So I'll see you in the van. Hi guys. So I forgot that I was vlogging. I'm here just driving. Hi Ace. Is it better now? Alright, that's Ace. Alright.
So guys, make sure you like and subscribe to my view. We're trying to reach 1,000 subscribers.
Okay. You heard that, guys? Trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. Alright. Guys, I had to twist my hair last night because I'm having a big day at work tomorrow and I want to get a really nice twist out. So I twist my hair, hoping to get a nice twist out tomorrow when I pull it out. Yeah. My twists are looking juicy. What's this? Oh, this is a smoothie. I used to twist my hair. Hi guys, so I just actually got to work. I dropped my son off. Now I'm at work. I'm going to quickly just freshen up and then I head inside, just checking in with you guys. So I'll see you on the inside. This was the following day, which was Thursday, and it was a big day at work. We had a state ceremonial opening of Parliament to commence the new parliamentary year.
Galang man, head tough like.
And immediately following this ceremonial opening of Parliament, I was invited by the Prime Minister to have lunch on the lawns of Jamaica House. So this was us proceeding up to Jamaica House to have lunch. Along with the Prime Minister, other guests included the leader of the opposition, MPs, and other distinguished guests.
It was far more cordial.
So guys, the biggest surprise of the lunch was the Prime Minister gifting all the ladies with special Valentine's boxes, gift boxes. Look at my smile. I was cheesing so hard. I was so surprised. It was 2 days before Valentine's, by the way. And I found the gesture to be really, really nice. But anyways, guys, I would like to thank you for tuning in and watching another one of my videos. Do remember to subscribe,